Do y'all see? Now wait a minute, Frieda. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you want to be a part of the AmorNae fam, all you have to do is click that subscribe button and you're a part of the fam, period. So as you see from the title, Got2B who? We trying something new, and y'all can already see how it's looking, but we're gonna get into the real details a little bit later. Hold on. This wig don't need to be glued down because I know y'all see that. That joint is laid, okay? That joint is laying. Anyway, we still gonna glue it down because it's for demonstration purposes only, okay? Period. So, John Frieda, I don't know who he is, but it's a moisture barrier, firm hold, 24-hour, and humidity resistant. I don't think Got2B say none of that, so we're gonna see if this is really, you know, this might be better than Got2B, and we might be all be sleeping because this is a little white brand. So, y'all know how I play my wig, and if you didn't see it, it's gonna be right here or right here. You can click that, and you can watch and see how to slay your own joint. But if this works, y'all, we might start a new wave. We might start a new wave. No coffee, but I just think I'm so pretty, like. I'm gonna do 2 because you know with Got2B I do like 3, so I'm gonna just do 2. Like Beyonce, like me. Okay. That sounds pretty good. And I know it's not just the fact that this is a glueless. This part is not straight. It's not. Is it? I can't tell. No. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, that side was a little loose. I ain't put no glue right there. That was bad. That was bad side, but do y'all see? Now wait a minute, Frieda. Okay, this is going well. This is going well. I only used 2 do y'all see that? That is on. And that is on. That is on. Okay. Let's do the edges. Let's see how she reacts to Got2B. But you know, I told y'all in the last video we gotta wrap our hair first because you don't wrap it and let it sit. But whole time, the way this is set up right now, I feel like I don't even have to do my little scarf thing because this is on. Like, it feels tight. Okay, so I let it sit for 10 minutes with the scarf. Yo, this is really on. We might be switching over, honey. Hunty, okay? Alright, so. Yes, I'm a middle swoop girl. I don't care. I like my middle swoop. I like my middle swoop. I'm shook because I've never, like, maybe my placement don't be right, but I've never used Got2B where I just did it once and it just stick. I'm gonna come back tomorrow or in like 2 days or so, because it say 24 hour and it say humidity proof, whatever. So I'm gonna come back in a couple days. I'm gonna like show y'all how it did, how it stayed, if it's good or if it's just like, okay, a temporary fix. But right now, we are looking good, honey. So I had to take that hair off because I'm getting ready for a trip. But before I took the hair off last night, I worked out, I ran around my neighborhood, I had a little dance party, so I was doing cardio and I was sweating and it did not come off. Plus I installed this frontal with the hairspray and you see it did good with that too. If I give Got2B an 8.5 out of 10, I would probably give this 8.5 now. But yeah, if you stay tuned to the end, thank you for watching. If you do use the Frieda hairspray, let me know how it works for you. My socials will be in the description box, or you can leave me a comment and tell me, you know, what you think about it. Stay an angel, stay pure, stay pretty.